so this is day two, number two of the garden renovation for KORI, and it's the 30th of April 2024, and this is the progress that has been done today. I think the garden has been here for 9 hours, and obviously yesterday I literally uploaded, so I'll be uploading again today. Every time we have a new bit to show you, we'll show you. So today is, look at this, we have pathways that were under dirt. We have my apiary, which you can actually see everything of, which is incredible. So yeah, he's cleared so much. And another thing is we have just ordered some new fence panels. So we're actually helping the neighbours as well, because it's only fair as well. So they're brilliant next door neighbours, I love them. We've ordered, I think I've ordered 4 this time. So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4 replacement panels there. And then obviously from there onwards is all storage for our chicken coops and things like that, which are going to come back up here. So we're just leaving those for now, and we'll just work on those later on. So we're doing this top section here. So they've been ordered and they arrive on Thursday. So yeah, at the moment we've got like a temporary seating area, which you saw the other day. But here now, if I pan around slowly, there is so much more. Just look at all that space. Absolutely loads and loads and loads of space. It's beautifully and sunny today. So yeah, these trees are going to be moved, which I said last time. We're actually going to be uprooting these and relocating them at some point. I've got clear access to my bees, which means I can get suited and booted and make a proper bee video as well, so I can show you inside the hives once these guys have calmed down. They're very busy at the moment. So yeah, like I said, we can get all the way around here now. Just look at all this path. Oh my gosh, we have huge amounts of path, which is brilliant. And now I can get all the way up. Hopefully won't get stung because I'm wearing something bright pink. Show you my bees, look, super busy. There we go, they are super busy little bees there. Hello, gorgeous. They're so beautiful. So yeah, they're really good. So obviously we've got this hive, which is really active, and that hive over there, which is dormant. So it means I can go and open up this one, make sure there's no extra queen cells in here, because if there's extra queen cells in this hive here, it means I can split them and put a queen cell into there, because you can only have 1 queen per hive, which means then that will become an active hive as well. So I just need to check that they've not got varroa. So varroa is a kind of like bee mite really. We've got varroa strips in this one, which kind of stops it. I can't remember if I put them in that one or not, so I need to check why that is not an active hive. I'm not quite sure, unless they've just done one, which they do sometimes. They just kind of swarm and bugger off. And for £250 per like nuke, it's quite expensive to lose them. But yeah, today the gardener has done an incredible job. Like I said, he has cleared all of this. I mean, just look at the apps. There's just so much space. Absolutely incredible. I'm loving it. It's absolutely brilliant. Like I say, we've got the fence panels coming on Thursday. The gardener's coming back again on Monday and Tuesday of next week. So we've got a few days to come in and work ourselves, because we're doing work ourselves on it as well to keep costs down. Lots and lots of tip runs that we're going to do. But it just means I can get into the apiary as well tonight. Like I said, I can check the state of the hives, make sure they're okay. Because at the moment inside there, look, you can see it's very overgrown. Like I say, this dormant hive here, not sure what's going on there. And then yeah, let's just try and get the inside of the apiary all tidy, which I'm going to do. All these bees, look, they're super busy, look, just buzzing around, making me lots of honey, which is brilliant. So yes. Oh, we've got strawberry plants there as well, so they're growing, which is great. But yeah, we're doing really well. So this is the next section to be tackled. As you can see, this is it was all up to here last time I filmed, but so this now is going to be a seating area. Sorry about it, it's a bit windy today. So we're going to take all this back. Well, the gardener is, because he's really good. We're going to take all this back, and we're going to use all this to be a raised seating area, which I think may be made out of bricks and concreted. I'm not quite sure, but for the moment this is the update, and it is a lot bigger than it was. That's what she said. It looks absolutely brilliant. I can't believe the space in a matter of 2 days. It's just incredible. Absolutely incredible. And again, a massive thank you to all of you who are still continuing to support this project. And we've had parcels arrive today, and we're doing unboxing videos all the time, and there's so many more things coming in for the garden. So thank you so much, and I'll keep you all updated, so please do stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, both to the Crap Goth and Crack in the Box. This will go across both channels, so you can see what's cracking off. And yeah, thank you so much, and we'll keep you up to date with the progress. Amazing. I love nature. It's so beautiful. Hey girls, so these are in the temporary accommodation for now. This looks like a small coop. I can show you it's not. It's really long. They've got huge enclosures to go back into once the garden's done. Hi girls. So we'll see if they've got, you can see it, so it's quite long, it goes all the way down. See if they've got any eggs for us today. Oh, yay, we've got eggs. Thank you so much girls. Let's collect those then. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. 1, 2, 3 eggs. Fantastic. Awesome. Thank you so much, girlies. Let's put those down the floor there, look. Yeah, thank you. Oh my gosh. Hey. Thank you. See you later, girls. Here's Ostara playing on the deck terrace. Say hi. Hi. So Ostara,
doing a little colouring.
You are, because you're off school poorly at the moment, aren't you? Ostara, what do you think about there being a beautiful garden for you to play in?
Very good.
Because you've got this little deck area out here, haven't you, which is against the house. They're all the plants for Kori down there, aren't they, in the garden?
Yeah.
But you're going to have your own bit of garden, aren't you?
I saw how we've got a little blossom tree and a big one.
We have. Ostara, what colour is going to be your special barrel for the garden?
Pink.
Pink. We've got you lots of pink.
Pink.
We've got pink plants. We've got solar lights that are pink. Everything, haven't you?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Is it going to be so lovely to have something so pretty to play in?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Maybe we can bring some of my toys in.
Of course we can. Once the garden's done, darling, definitely. We can grow vegetables. The chickens will be back down the bottom again. Yeah?
Yeah.
We're going to be growing lots of flowers and plants, and you can help me with the weeding and everything.
But Mummy,
Yeah.
I think the chickens will have to stay in there.
Well, no. I mean, the chickens are there for now.
Because,
Why?
do you remember when 2 chickens were killed?
I do, but the chickens were killed. We've had foxes and everything, haven't we? So listen, so what we're doing now though, that's why the garden's being paved at the end. Okay, so the chickens will be able to dig in a small area, but they're going to be completely fox proof. That's why at the moment they're in a little temporary, well they're in a big temporary enclosure, but they're going to have the huge ones, you know, the massive ones that you can walk inside. They're going to go back up. Okay, but for now they're really happy, and they're laying us eggs every single day, aren't they? Yeah?
Because they're happy.
They are, it's because they're happy chickens, aren't they? Right, you're going to say bye to everybody.
Bye everybody.
See you soon.